Hey guys, it's Replay RC here. Asterisk surprise, it's not a bash video for once, right? Well, today I've got a special opportunity to check out the Rlaarlo XTS-P12. Let's not waste any time, let's jump right into the unboxing. Let's start with the body. The 1.2mm polycarbonate shell is much more durable than typical PVC. A 2mm aircraft-grade aluminum chassis keeps the base strong and stable. It comes with a 3S2200 mAh35C LiPo battery, offering both endurance and power. It includes a wrench, zip ties, and some spare parts. It comes with a transmitter battery, a charging cable, and a voltage detection wire. To remove the body, grip the knob and turn it clockwise. To install the body, align the hooks and turn the knob counterclockwise to lock it in place. Front and rear anti-roll bars reduce body roll for smoother cornering. The CNC machined aluminum oil shocks handle uneven terrain like a champ. 4.5 a sensorless waterproof ESC 2845360 kV brushless motor, and an 11 kilograms micro servo. A 2mm aircraft-grade aluminum chassis keeps the base strong and stable. And thanks to the 18mm ground clearance, it tears through off-road terrain with no problem. Now let's install the battery. Power on the transmitter. It even supports 3-speed control and a built-in gyro. And then turn on the car. To mount the body, just pull and twist the hook and that's it. Super easy, right? Just like this, you can turn the LED lights on and off with a single button on the transmitter. It even has turn signals and, of course, a backfire effect too. Let me show you how the 3-speed control works. The gyro is off right now, so even if I move the chassis, there's no response, right? Turn on the gyro from the transmitter, and when you shake the car, you'll see the front wheels move automatically. The shocks are quite smooth and stable thanks to the well-balanced oil viscosity. And the drive shaft is made of high-strength carbon steel, so durability is top-notch too.